Hello and welcome to Tech Friend. In today's video, I will be replacing the earpads of my headphone, the Plantronics Voyager 4220. Let's get started. This is the headphone I have been using for a while now. As you can see, the cushion on the phone base still looks good, but the earpads are worn out. They have started flaking badly, and even the headband is shedding black flakes. I've got the replacement earpads right here. Let's take a look. Now let's put new earpads. The idea is to insert the edges into the gap on the headphone base. Don't worry, these pads are stretchy, so you won't damage them by pulling a little. I'm being careful not to tear the inner foam while placing the earpads. The side near the headband is a bit tricky, but a little stretching gets the job done. And there we go, the first earpad is fixed properly. Let's move on to the second one. This time, I'm going to stretch it over the ear cup first, then gently push the edges into the groove. Done. Both earpads are now fixed and feel nice and secure. Now let's deal with the headband. You can see it's not in good shape. There are no visible screws to remove it, so I will go ahead and cut it off carefully using a scissor. The inner cushion is still fine, so I will keep that, but I have noticed something else. The wire is exposed. That's risky since it could get damaged with regular use. I've got a headband cover to fix that. Instead of placing it over the thick part, I am going to extend the headphones to expose the thinner arms. That makes it easier to wrap the cover around and zip it up. Just make sure the zipper is aligned properly on both sides. Take your time with it. Now I will slide it gently onto the center. And that's it. The cover has a handy loop so you can hang your headphones too. And now, just look at it. The headphones are back in action, comfortable and clean.